Hi there, beautiful souls. Welcome to this guided meditation. Taking care of our body should be a priority, and healing our relationship with our physical vessel is one of the most powerful steps we can take in order to have more ownership, more confidence, happiness, and alignment. No matter if you have an unhealthy diet, a poor exercising regime, skin disorders, scars, immune system imbalances, or any other health concerns, this video will help you reconnect with your body, focus your energy on healing and repairing your internal selves. I recommend you listen to this guided meditation for 30 days in order to reprogram your subconscious mind. First, I want you to find a comfortable position in a calm room where you won't be disturbed. Just for a moment, let go of all the chatter and sit quietly. There is only you and the sound of my voice. Close your eyes, place your hands over your belly, and allow your mind to slow down. Let's take 2 deep breaths together. Hold the air in your belly for a few seconds and exhale through your mouth. Once more, inhale through your nose. Hold for a few seconds and breathe out. Good. I want you to focus your awareness on your body now. Start at the top of your head. Relax your scalp completely. Feel the skin on your forehead relax. Allow your eye muscles to release, your jaw to soften, and let your ears, nose, and chin, teeth, and tongue relax. Let this peaceful feeling flow down your neck. Feel it soothe your throat and dissolve any tension. Now drop your shoulders and relax your upper arms, forearms, wrists, and hands. Allow this relaxation to fill your chest. Soften your belly muscles and let this soothing feeling penetrate even deeper, releasing any tension from your internal organs. Now let it wrap around you, enveloping you in love and peace as it softens all the back muscles. All the way down to the base of your spine. Send this peaceful feeling into your hips and buttocks. Let it glide down your thighs, relaxing your legs completely as it flows down to your knees, calves, ankles, until the base of your feet. Allow any remaining tension from anywhere in your body to flow out your toes, leaving your whole body feeling very comfortable, peaceful, and relaxed. When you think of healing, what color do you think about? Visualize that color all around you, full of calm, rejuvenation, serenity, happiness, and hope. Hold that color in your mind's eye and watch it envelop your entire body, radiating from your core, outwards and inwards. Watch this healing color glow and vibrate around you. Feel the healing energy get stronger with each breath you take. Your body is incredibly smart. Every cell in your body works day and night in order to protect you, save you, and provide you with the necessary support you need. Are you supporting your body and honoring it the same way? Breathe. In order to save your life, to detoxify your system, to protect you from harmful chemicals and keep your organs running, your body sometimes needed to sacrifice a little portion of your body. It is usually a way for your body to communicate with you and send you signals about the things you should be avoiding. Are you listening? Keep breathing and allow the sensations, memories, and feelings that come your way speak to you and help you heal your body. Your body is sorry if it has caused you shame, sadness, pain, or guilt. Your body is sorry if it wasn't what you wanted it to look like. Your body is sorry if it felt sick or tired at times. It was its only way of forcing you to rest, or guiding you towards changing your habits, your diet, or your lifestyle. Thank you, body. Thank you for saving my life. Thank you for always being with me. Thank you for bearing with me and my lifestyle. Thank you for giving me energy, fuel, and power. Thank you, body. In the upcoming minutes, I invite you to thank your body out loud, like an old friend that you've ignored for years, neglected, mistreated, or even abused. Drop into your senses, keep your eyes closed, and feel how lucky you are to be alive and to have a body. Now, I want you to think about your major health problems or the concerns you have with your body. How does that make you feel? Where do you feel tension in your body? Your mind will take you to these parts of your body that are in pain, inflamed, hurt, cold, rigid, or in need of healing. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, direct the bright healing color towards that area of your body until it covers it completely. Feel the healing color, fill these areas with light, warmth, and life. You can release all the things that have been stressful to you and make peace with the healthy, strong, and beautiful body that you have. There is nothing but healing energy and love now. When you're ready, take a last deep breath in Then softly open your eyes. Sit for a few moments to acknowledge the unique experience you had during this meditation. I invite you to listen to this for 30 days straight. Use this time as an opportunity to reconnect with your body and create a more loving space for yourself and your physical temple. On this note, I wish you a blessed week. Bye bye.